What's up, everybody, and how have you been? So, for today, I am so freaking excited for this video. It's in this box right here. I think it's something you guys are going to love. I've been waiting for this box. I have been so excited to get it and share it with you guys. So if you'd like to see what came in this box, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, you guys, this box right here, as you can read from the title, is a Curated Thrift. This company really intrigued me because it is a box that's sent to your door in the style that you choose of clothing that are secondhand. So I love recycling. I love things that can be reused. I love it when things don't end up in a landfill. So if it's something that you can use, it's awesome. Also, you get to choose your style that comes in this box. And it's something that you normally wouldn't choose out for yourself, but it's going to be in your style, so you'll like it. I'm excited. All right, so a little bit about this box. They strive on creating one-of-a-kind thrifted looks. So outfits you normally wouldn't put together for yourself, but ones that are current and on trend. If you use the code SUNNYDII, you will get 50% off your first box, and they will donate $10 to handup.org, and it is a COVID relief fund. That's amazing. Okay, I absolutely love it when companies donate to good causes. As you guys know, I have tested positive for COVID, and I tell you what, when I was in my home quarantining for 2 weeks, there were so many things going through my mind, so many things I was worried about. I fell behind on all my bills because I couldn't work, and I didn't know who to turn to for support during that time. So I think that this relief fund is amazing. Absolutely great that they donate to that. The boxes you can choose from. There is so many options for this box. There is literally an option for everybody. It's outstanding. There is the My Vintage box. And you can choose between the 70s, the 80s, the 90s, and the 2000s, the Y2K era. For $34.95 a month, you will get one item of vintage clothing. That is so cool. And the fact that this is her job to go hunt down clothes like that is so awesome. Then there is the My Thrift box. You choose a main style. The styles are boho rocker, streetwear, goth or pastel goth. I didn't even know that pastel goth was a thing. And then there's classic casual, intellectual chic, indie or grunge, eclectic, modern sophisticate, other, you can put your style as other, minimalist, and trendsetter. And then you would also choose a secondary style for that box as well. You will get 2 items of clothing for $38.33 a month. There's free shipping in the United States. Then you could choose the box My Deluxe box. You choose a main style, a secondary style. It comes with 4 items of clothing for $43.33 a month. That's what I have right here. I got the deluxe box. And for my style, I chose streetwear because, I mean, you guys, this was my outfit for today. I got this on, and then I got a baggy t-shirt, and then I got my baggy sweats, and then, of course, my pink Nikes, all while rocking my braid. So, I'm super stoked to get into this box and see what she came up with for me. And then, of course, I will model the clothes for you guys. I am so excited. It's like playing dress up. And who doesn't like to play dress up? You don't ever get too old for that, right? All right, let's get into it. All right, so when you first open it up, that's what it looks like. I'll show you guys all the pieces first, and then I'll model them for you at the end. First of all, we got this one right here with their cute little sticker. Oh, it was upside down. This one right here with their little cute sticker on there. What? All right. So first up, Morro Bay, California. We got ourselves an, oh, that's so cool. We got ourselves a t-shirt. It's not really showing up on camera what color it actually is, but it's more like a teal blue. But look at the back. Isn't that cool? That makes me want to go and visit that spot now. All right. And then, oh, this is so soft. Oh yeah, let's see if we can find like, this is by Gildan, Ultra Cotton, and it's a 2XL. And then look at this. Oh, what? That looks so comfortable. Like, and these clothing, like the clothing is in good condition. It's got a pocket right in here. Oh, it's so soft. Okay, that's probably my most favorite item so far. And then we got this right here, a little sushi roll. Oh, what? This is so cool. Look at this. Oh, can you not tell? Let me turn down the lighting. It's like iridescent. It changes colors. It goes from like purple to a pinkish kind of. Not iridescent. I guess that'd be holographic, right? Look at that. And then it's got like the band at the bottom that stretches. Oh, I like that a lot. That's pretty. And then it looks like we got one more item of clothing. Oh, that's cute. Time and True. It's like a really light purple. It's like hand knitted. Not hand knitted, but you know, it looks knitted with other little colors in there. It's got like some green and some blue and a little bit of red and pink. That looks comfortable. Oh, wearing like a tank top underneath this. Nice, big and baggy. All right, and then we got some stuff in here. Oh my God. So we got some earrings right there that'll match my outfit. Those are cute. Oh, cool. We got a Red Hot Chili Pepper sticker. Sum 41. Oh my gosh, I used to listen to that when I was younger. And of course, Kiss. Yeah, I think Kiss was one of my dad's favorite bands when I was younger. That is so awesome. So that's everything that came in the box. I'm going to try these on for you guys and I will be right back. So first up, we got this one. What do you guys think? I think that's cute. I got the earrings in as well. Let me show you guys them. Aren't those adorable? I love them. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, and then next we got this one. Ain't that one cute? So we got this that we could lay flat down. We can have this one unzipped, zipped. It's that fabric that is so cute. I like it. Alrighty, let's jump into the next one. Look at this jacket. Oh, this is so my style. So up my alley. And then, of course, underneath, I got on the shirt. Really comfortable. Fits perfectly. This is my style. This is that what's up kind of jacket. This is exactly what I would wear. I love this. This jacket is so soft, so comfortable. This is exactly, I would probably pick this out if I saw it, but I don't think it would catch my eye while I'm there. So the fact that they were able to get this and include it in my box is amazing. And especially they probably got different things to choose from where they're from. And they're not going to be able to find the things that I would find in my own area. So I absolutely love this. What do you guys think about this box? This is fantastic. It came with 2 jackets, a pullover knit sweater, a shirt, and a pair of earrings. 5 different things. And it's not like they were just, some t-shirts or like some tank tops or like a scarf or something. I got 2 jackets in this box. Like, I absolutely am in love with this thing. What? Oh yeah, I like it so much. Alrighty, you guys, that is all I have for you today for this box. What did you guys think? Leave it below down in the comments. And like always, I love you guys so very much. And until next time, bye.